I absolutely love Aleene's original tacky glue in the gold bottle, but I'm going to give you two tips when you're using it. Number one, store it upside down. It's very thick, so it's going to take a while for it to get down in the bottom. It's also difficult if you're in a hurry, if it's all stuck down here. Also, if you have kids that are using it, they don't have the patience for it to let it drip down to the bottom. So I always store mine upside down. You can store it upside down in a jar or a vase or something like that. My second tip, and I go through quite a bit of this. My granddaughter and I use it when we're crafting. I just use it for general around the house things. So let's say I'm just gonna demonstrate on this piece of cardboard, but we're gonna put glue on the cardboard. But if we put paper right on top of that, or whatever we're attaching, fabric, whatever, we're gonna see those lines and we're gonna see those clumps. So to get a better coverage, take a scrap piece of it could be another piece of cardboard, it could be a piece of cardstock, it could be something else, it could be an old credit card, and then you use it to spread your glue out. And you can see I didn't really get enough to cover this, but this will help it lay much flatter and give you much better coverage than if you just put wads of glue on there. So there's your two tips.